আচ্ছা, প্রোগ্রাম ক্রিয়েট করছি। ক্লাস পাবলিক ক্লাস টিকলি class creation completed. Now public static void main string arguments. Argument should be passed by string. The question is write a program to display the sum of first n even number. Alright, so first create a variable integer input is equal to, suppose input is 10. Alright, now one condition variable that is called loop variable, integer loop var is equal to 0. It is set, the value is set to 0. Now we need more two variables afterwards. Alright, now I will run the loop. How much? While the loop var is less than equal to input, the loop var is equal to input, till that time the loop will run. That means the value of loop var is 0 and it will continue up to input 0 to 10. In between we have to use the odd or even number. Now suppose the condition, if which value we are using, this loop var, this loop variable we have to use. So loop var percentage 2 is equal to 0, then some event will happen. Else if loop var percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then some event will run. So before that this is for even number and this is for odd number. Alright, so now take two variables to store the even number and to store the odd number. So I am creating variable. What is the variable? Integer sum odd is equal to 0 initialized, sum even is equal to 0, it's also initialized. Now if the loop var divided by 2, if the remainder is 0, then it became even number. Then I am going to store this number into the sum even. So let's write sum even is equal to, alright, sum even plus which one? This loop var. Alright, now they increase the value of loop var, otherwise it became infinite loop. Loop var plus. Alright, then same case in even number. Oh, I have done one mistake here. Some even number, some odd is plus is equal to what? Loop var. What is the meaning of plus is equal to? Plus is equal to means sum odd plus loop var. What will happen here? Sum even, the value of sum even is 0. If the condition is true, that means each iteration the loop var, that means that value of loop var will be divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, then it is going to store into the sum even, and it is asked you have to add the number. So do one thing, the value of sum even, store the value, with this value each iteration it will add the loop var. That means if it is 2, if it found that it is even number, so 2 will be added here, the sum even, the value of sum even will be 2. If it is 3, then no. If it is 4, then it will be triggered as even number. So what is the value of sum even? 2. The 2 plus then loop var value is now 4. So 4 plus 2 will be 6. The value updated. Similar job has to be done here. So increase your cout sum odd loop var plus plus. That's finished. Now this is the block of if, this is the block of else if, and this is the block of while loop. Outside of the while loop, print the value, final value. System dot out dot println okay, I'm going to print a string to understand the value, the sum of all n odd numbers colon, just I am concatenation, which one the odd number, so sum odd, copy and then paste here, paste. Now I am going to copy this one, copy and then paste. So here just update the even, and it will be even, EVEN. So now do one thing, let's run this one. Okay, I have to change the GD Eclipse opener I need. Compile, quickly saved. What is the problem? Loop var cannot be resolved to a variable integer while loop var is less than equal to input. Alright, loop var integer loop var is equal to 0. Alright, I have done one mistake here. Each and every time I have to increase loop var is also. Now compile. This one is not updated. Loop var, this one also. Now compile it. Compilation completed. Now get the output. Run. I got the output. Now I am going to change this one. This sum, this input, user input. Just suppose maybe 5. Now compile this. Compilation completed. Now run. Sum of n odd number. Now calculate this. It is actually correct or not. Alright. And the question is input number, n number. So do one thing here, import java.util.star or scanner is imported. Now inside this create object scanner obj new scanner. You have created the object of the scanner class. Now pass the stream variable system dot in. Is it correct? Now instead of this, what it will be? Obj dot whatever. Now you do, let's try,